Hello everyone, it's Mr. Velsey from Behind the Keyboard. I'm here to show you how to use this very useful online tool, this website called Musictheory.net, to help you learn to memorize the names of the notes on your instrument's clef. From any web browser, type www.musictheory.net. When you get to the main page, select Exercises, go to Note Identification. Now we're set for the alto clef, which is for viola, but let's say that I play violin. This is really important. We have to know how to change it. We're going to go to the controls. This is a little cogwheel here. Click on clefs, click on treble clef, and you're going to click again on alto clef so you don't have to answer alto clef questions. Back arrow. We're going to narrow the range down because we're only going down to low D. Let's say I want to quiz myself on all the notes on the A and the D strings. So I'm going to move the upper one down to a high D, and I've moved the lower one up to a low D, and that gives us the range that we want. We're going to have lines and spaces. However, if you wanted to quiz yourself only on the line notes or the space notes, you can do that. Key signatures, if it's set for natural, leave it there. For note names, we want letters, of course, so don't set it for anything else. Helpers, this actually gives you the chance to see the answers here, just to kind of help you along as you're memorizing. But I'm going to turn those off. Accidentals, you don't need any of those. I would just leave that off. Note filter, leave that off. All the rest of the stuff I would leave as is. And there's our first note. Let's see, F, A, C, E. Okay, that's an A. And as you can hear, it plays the note for you. Okay, that's an E. And let's see, what's that in? A B. How about, that's an F, I think. Oh, I got that wrong. As you can see, it keeps track of your score up here with a nice percentage. Let's see, okay, so that must be G. That is a high D. E. So you can see this is a very fun and engaging way to learn your note names. My hope is that you'll take about 3 to 5 minutes each night to just practice with yourself. See how much of a score you can get each day. Watch your average improve and answer 25 notes. That would be a great way to start. So that's basically it. Thanks so much for watching and see you in class.